Hi, my good name is Anlele and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am so happy to show you how to do Oreo vanilla cake. And viewers, hit the subscribe button and click to the notification button right next to it so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Welcome. Our ingredients are our flour 350 grams, our sugar 250 grams, margarine 250 grams, 5 pieces of eggs, few drops of vanilla essence, 5 ml of baking soda, and 6 biscuits that we have already crushed them into pieces. We are going to take our sugar and our margarine and we mix it until it becomes whitish and fluffy so that we go to the next step. Mix our baking powder with the flour. And put few drops of vanilla essence into our eggs. We lower the speed. Then we start putting an egg at a time. Then we incorporate our Oreo. Our mix is ready. I bang it so that I release the air that is inside, so that when your cake, when it bakes, it doesn't have holes inside. I'm going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 1 hour. Viewers, this is our end product, our Oreo vanilla cake. Very nice, very beautiful cake. This is one of the recipes you really have to try it. It's very nice, it's very yummy for a birthday cake, any other occasion. It's very nice. It's very filling. So we are going to cut so that you can see it from inside. We are cutting so that to see how it is from inside. You can see how it is. Very beautiful, very nice. Very nice cake. Oreo vanilla cake. Viewers, you can see how our Oreo vanilla cake came out. It came out so well. Please try it and let me know in your comment section. And also remember to subscribe, share, like, comment. I'll be so happy to read your comments. And remember to click the notification button right next to it so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, bye.